Hello everyone. Today we're talking about a hot topic in the paint protection film industry, hydrophobic coating versus hydrophilic coating. Which one is better? What is a hydrophobic coating? A hydrophobic coating repels water. Water beads roll off the surface, carrying away dust and dirt. It keeps the film surface dry and clean, but may be more vulnerable in acidic environments. What is a hydrophilic coating? A hydrophilic coating attracts water, which spreads into a continuous film instead of forming beads. For example, if you draw with an oil-based marker, the line remains continuous without breaks. How to tell the difference? The answer lies in water contact angle, greater than 90 degrees hydrophobic. Less than 90 degrees hydrophilic. So, which one should you choose? In fact, both provide water and dirt resistance. Hydrophobic removes dust through water beading. Hydrophilic washes away dirt through water flow. The real difference is not hydrophilic versus hydrophobic, but in the raw materials, manufacturing process, and coating density. In Western markets, hydrophobic coatings are popular for their lotus-effect look. In Asia, hydrophilic coatings are gaining traction due to better performance in rainy and humid climates. So, the choice depends on regional market needs and the brand's capability in durability and gloss retention. Conclusion: there is no absolute winner between hydrophobic and hydrophilic coatings. The key is understanding your market and what kind of driving experience your customers value. If you want more insights on PPF technology, coating performance, and global market trends, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with the latest industry knowledge.